This conference will now be recorded.
Hi folks, good evening. We are having half day as of the Shera, but we as traders would like to always trade. So let us start with today's outlook. How crude looks today. First of all, let us see how it performed as per yesterday's given level. कल हमने जैसे कहा था 6750, which was the level given yesterday, and above that it was expected that it will move up and may show slow movement about that level. But once it crosses 6,850, it took steep movement here, and then you can see it has gone positively up. So for what about today? Today we expect it to move about 6,830. So if it moves about 6,820, 830, if you see it starts moving about it, you certainly can. That is one of the support. That level will work as support for the day. If you can see, market is already above 6,990. But as we can expect it to come down and may take first support around 6,990 or 6,950, and then another support it is expected to take around 6,820, right? Certainly it is making higher top higher bottom, so we are positive, but for today it may show you first dip or take support at these levels as mentioned, 6950, 6990, and then 6830 as well. But after, if it keeps moving about 6,990 or 7,000, yeah, they are talking about level of 7,000. So if it moves about 7,000, it keeps moving about 6,990, then you certainly have to buy. No need to think about selling or looking for any support. Just keep buying above 7,000. But if you see it is coming down 6,990, then 50, then it may take its lower support at 6,850, right? So this way we are going to trade in crude today. Then we'll talk about gold. So how gold looks today. Even in similar outlook we'll be having for gold. Gold has already gone above the level which we have for today is 51,550. So a Carven Paso, it is already trading above that level. If it opens above that, definitely we are going to have only buying in mind and buying in trades as well. But if it trades below 51,500, or if it keep trading below 51,500, then it may take its support at 51,150. Okay, or if it comes down and it may move around this small band, it may move around this band. But if it starts trading below 51,100 or 150, then you have to think about finding the selling pattern in your chart. Look for the selling pattern and go for selling. But that is only below 51,150. So if it goes below this level, think about selling. But if it is not crossing below that level, if it is not going below that level, you can think of buying. It may, if it comes down, then it may take its support at 51,500 again. But if it keep trading above 51,500, 600, then we are only going to think about buy. And about 51,500, we looking for certain and confirm buying position, right? Then we'll talk about silver. So here we can see as silver, it was range bound as mentioned in the levels of 61,200 to 61,800. Sorry, it was mentioned. This is the range what we are supposed to follow for today. So if this if silver comes down today, it will move in this range and you will not get to see much up or much down. It will be just moving in this range. In that case, it will be difficult to find good trades because it will keep moving again to 61,800. It may come down again to 61,300, then again moving up. So most of the time there is a more probability of getting stop losses, or if you are having some limit in mind as a stop loss, then it may touch again and again, may up down and may up go down, may go up and again touch that level, and you will not get to earn much in silver. But once it starts trading about 61,900, then you will have the certainty about buying in silver. As yesterday we have mentioned, it already opened gap up and it moved around above our level, whatever we have mentioned of 57,000, 59,000. So it didn't once it crossed that level, it was already in uptrend and moving up. But here it has come here what we have mentioned level, so that was continuously moving up. But once it went into this level, which we are considering as important point for today, that is 61,800 and 61,300. It doesn't it is not expected much to silver, or it doesn't have much of strength to move out of this zone, and that's why it's if you get to have maybe if it is trading below 61,800, then look for target of 61,300 and trade for selling. If it is again taking support at 61,300, then it may have resistance, it may face resistance at 61,800, 850. So that time you can buy for that target. But once it starts trading above 61,850, 900, then you can have certain buying buying position and leave with that buying position. But otherwise, if it is coming down 61,300, you need to reconsider your trade and look for confirmed pattern wherein you can sell silver. So this is for today, 5th of October. We'll certainly have probably more time even to analyze and more trades to find out when we'll be having full session on tomorrow, that is 6th of October. For now, that's all. Happy Dashera. Have great time. All right.